There's her root canal tooth that was retro-filled scar tissue. When we got in there, there was granulous infectious tissue. Cleaned that out. We did the stem cell therapy. There's the tooth extracted. There's a ceramic implant in place. There we go. There's a ceramic implant, extraction, stem cell therapy, placed the tooth in the same day. So now we got to wait about 8 weeks before we put the crown on.